All right, YouTube. I guess this will be another part 2 video. Got her open right quick, right fast. I guess all I had to do to get her open was turn the bass on and hit that button at the right. Like I said in the last video, I could hear it clicking. So I was thinking, let me hit the bass and see if that'll get her open. So that worked out. So basically what happened, the bass hit so hard, I put the carbon fiber dust caps on it, well, honeycomb, and I made them DUB. You don't know me, man. I tried to put my name on everything. For some reason that paint came off. I'm not even going to open this, I'll roll it down. Do a little bit of walkthrough here. Somebody asked me earlier why I put the fans on there. I totally only put the fans on there because it's I'm running an amp. It's a Korean amp, but I'm running at half ohm, so I just put that on there to be on the safe side. I got this panel. I got this panel over here, it keeps coming off because of the bass. So I'll have to figure something out with that to get that right, man. But I figure might as well go ahead and do a part 2 before I pull off right quick. Due to the fact that I was able to get the trunk open, so now I just got to get to the garage. Like I said, I don't know if I want to even contemplate riding home with that trunk up, or I just get to the house and hit the button, you know, turn the bass on, hit the button when I get there, man. I just wanted to show you I got the trunk open, so that's a plus. Okay, I'm about to say now I can't even close it. All right. Get the hell out of here, man. It's about to start being a lot. I think it's almost 5 o'clock, so it's going to start being a lot more people down here. Let me get the hell out of here, man. It's your boy Young Dub, same as the last ending, man. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead, hit me up. Let's start building for 2020, man. Everything's falling apart. Everything is falling apart. That's a damn shame, man. I gotta clean my amp up, man. I gotta clean this car up. It's like it's bittersweet, man, because I know I got stuff in the works, I got stuff in the mail, I got stuff in storage, and I just don't want to tear it down yet, man. But it's time, man. Let's get a little louder, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out.